Last time we have seen how we can import the lead. So lead not only can be imported, but let's say the new leads is there, right? You have to capture the leads. For example, you are already having a website and you want a form which you can place on your website. And whenever the data is filled on that particular website, the data should automatically flow into the Salesforce. It should not be like data is going first on your database, right, on a backend, and then you're extracting the CSV and then it is coming here. No, the Salesforce is giving the functionality of web to lead. Okay, how we can do that? We'll go to the setting. Okay, and here we will type web, and under the marketing section there is web to lead. Okay, you can enable it, enable web to lead while editing it. I have already enabled it. Okay, I'll save it. What are the fields you need to capture? For example, I need to capture first name, last name, email. Let's say the company I don't want. I want city, country, state province, right? For example, I just want to capture the mobile number also. Let me just put it mobile number. Okay, first name, last name, email, city, country, state, and mobile number. Return URL, what you can do, for example, you are on a website, you can give the return URL of your home page so that once the form will be submitted, it will return back to you into your home page. If you want to enter the reCAPTCHA in HTML, it is fine, otherwise you can deselect it, right? So I'm just giving the URL of like http. I have to provide the full URL, www.google.com. Will generate it. So you can see this code has been generated. Now you can put any of your website page. Do not change anything on it. You can still change the CSS, but the functionality and whatever the variable has been defined here, you no need to do the changes. Okay, we'll copy it, we'll finish it. You can paste it in your website, right? So to give demo, what I'll do is I'll just go into the site.google.com and I'll create a blank site from here. And let's say this is my page, and if I want to embed it the code, paste it here, right? Save it. Just ignore the formatting, whatever the formatting, we can still format it. To showing it purpose, I'm just keeping it here. Now, let me just go and do the demo. So here you can see I'm just putting the name Deepak. Okay, so here we can put Deepak Sahu at example.com, giving the city is Jabalpur, right? Country, I'm just giving the India here. Mobile number I can give. Okay, and just think we are we are on a different site, Google site, and the data will automatically flow in into the Salesforce. And once the data is already submitted, where it is redirected, google.com, because we have given the URL as google.com. Now we'll check that whether the lead has been come here or not. We will refresh it and we'll see Deepak. We'll search here. Deepak Sahu. We have just created. If you want to check when it is created, you can see 10, 12, right? This is how you can capture the lead from your website by creating a web to lead form. Thank you.